Let's talk about water. You've heard of it, drank in it, bathed in it, and swam in it. But what is it really? What's it made of and how did it get here? Let's find out. Water is everywhere. It comes from the sky, your faucet, it's in your food, plants, in dirt. There's no place you can go that water won't be there. So, where does it come from? Well, it's believed that water traveled to Earth from comets and asteroids, but no one truly knows for sure. It was millions and millions of years ago. Although most scientists could agree, water definitely came to Earth from an outside source, and it probably hitched a ride on a comet or an asteroid. Those pictures are what it would have looked like when a comet or asteroid full of water hit our atmosphere. It's pretty cool, right? What is water made of? Water is made of molecules called H2O. H2O consists of two atoms called hydrogen and one oxygen. Those molecules are so tiny you can't even see them. Millions of them clump together to form the water that you see in your glass of water. Doesn't it look like Mickey Mouse? Water covers 75% of the world's surface. Water forms oceans, lakes, rivers, ponds, streams, and puddles. And all living organisms on Earth need water to survive. Butterflies, trees, elephants, flowers, fish. That list goes on. And guess what? Up to 60% of your body is made of water. Water versus ice. We've all seen snowflakes and eaten snow cones. We've dropped a handful of ice cubes into our cups. But what's the difference between ice and water? Is it even the same thing? Well, the H2O molecules that make up the glass of water are spread apart and have lots of energy. If you put that glass of water in a freezer, the molecules begin to slow down and stick together. Imagine if the water in the glass was having a party. Everyone was running around the room and dancing. Eventually, everyone starts to get real tired. They stop moving as much and begin to huddle together. Well, that's what happens when water turns to ice. The molecules get real close together, and it looks like as if they almost hold hands. The water cycle. A question I used to wonder is, how do we not run out of water? With all the people in the world, almost 8 billion, we drink a lot of water. Where does that water go? Well, then I found out about the water cycle. There are 4 steps. First, water evaporates. Evaporation is when water molecules turn into a gas and float back up into the sky. Condensation is the next step, and this happens when gas turns back into a liquid in the sky. That liquid eventually falls out of a cloud as rain, and it's called precipitation. After it rains, the water accumulates onto the ground into puddles and bodies of water, and the cycle starts all over again when that water is then evaporated back into the sun. This cycle has gone on for millions of years, and it's very likely that it will continue for a million more. Well, that's all I have on the unit of water. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.